when you have birds, they are good. But when you're hungry and you pull out melons, they get onto them. And sometimes they fight. Like Bakersfield. Bakersfield! Oh, it's okay, LA. I'm sorry. Just go back to eat it, okay? Okay, so. Wow, look at New York. Yellowstone, Portland. Baker, LA, and some other things. While I eat the melon, I'm going to show the Sydney. I know you're not eating all day because my dad knows how to not feed my birds. Yeah, these birds. It's okay. You already got some food now, but I think it's really old. Is it not my food? Yeah. Go pick on the budgies. They're doing fine. How did you get in there? I swear, if that melon falls, I'm done. Because then LA won't get any food. Wait, it's not LA. What? Oh my god, this is somebody don't keep such as Bakersfield. Bakersfield, what you got? Bakersfield. Down there. Bye. Alright, getting 2 melons. No, don't drop that. Don't you drop that. What you got? Oh crap! Well, guys, that's Budgie Life. Bye.